Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Get ready for mind-blowing gadgets that will take your tech game to the next level. Active Life 2. These are not your ordinary bike lights. These lights are designed to make you stand out from all angles and turn your bike into a mesmerizing spectacle. Alright, let's talk about why active lights are a game changer when it comes to bike safety. We all know that having front and back lights is important, but what about being visible from all sides? That's where active lights come in. These lights provide a guaranteed eye-catching effect. Active lights also come with a flashing mode that takes your visibility to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about the installation process. These lights are incredibly easy to install. No tools required. To install these lights can be installed on any bike with a standard wheel hub and spokes. So whether you have a mountain bike, a road bike, you can transform your ride into something truly spectacular. X20 Mini Drone. This compact drone comes packed with a range of impressive features that enhance both stability and control. With its advanced 6-axis Euro quad rotorcraft flight, you'll experience smooth and precise movements, making it easier than ever to navigate the skies. It's perfect for indoor flying, so you can enjoy the thrill of piloting right in the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to the anxiety of takeoffs and landings. The X20 Mini Drone comes equipped with the convenient one-key takeoff/landing feature. With just a simple press of a button, your drone will gracefully ascend to the skies or smoothly return to its initial position. This mini drone offers a thrilling 360-degree stunt flip feature. With a single press of a button, your drone will perform mind-blowing flips and rolls, leaving everyone in awe. Bionic Wheelbot. Meet the Bionic Wheelbot Spider, a remarkable arachnid perfectly adapted to its environment. This extraordinary creature has a unique way of moving that allows it to navigate through various terrains with ease. On level ground, it can roll like a wheel, and it's twice as fast as when it walks. But on uneven surfaces, taking individual steps is the safer choice. Inspired by the cartwheeling spider's incredible abilities, engineers and scientists have developed the Bionic Wheelbot. This robotic marvel mimics the spider's transformation from walking to rolling mode, and it's truly a marvel of engineering. To initiate rolling mode, the Bionic Wheelbot bends 3 legs on each side of its body, forming a wheel-like structure. As it rolls, the folded legs extend and push the robot off the ground, propelling it forward. Roller skating shoes. These shoes are designed for those who want the flexibility to walk or slide whenever they want. All you have to do is turn on the switch at the heel, and you're good to go. It's incredibly convenient and definitely unique. But that's not all. Some of these shoes come with LED ambient lights that can be turned off or adjusted according to your preference. And guess what? There are 7 colors to choose from, and they even flash. Just imagine how cool these shoes will look when you rock them at night. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use these shoes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced skater, these shoes are designed to make your skating experience smoother. They're especially great for children who are just starting out or for friends who want to join in on the fun. Trust me, it's the best choice for anyone who loves to skate. If you are a rider or ride a bicycle, then I have a greatest gear to enhance your cycling experience. Today, we have an incredible product that focuses on one thing: your safety. If you value your safety and want to make sure you're visible on the road, day or night, the Daylight Visible Flash is an absolute must-have. Don't compromise on your safety when it comes to cycling. Introducing the Daylight Visible Flash, the ultimate tail light that ensures you're seen on the road. Now, here's where it gets even better. The Daylight Visible Flash comes with a quick release tab, making it incredibly easy to remove the light from the mount. This means you can instantly take the light with you when you park your bike, while the mount stays perfectly in place and ready for your next ride. And here's the best part: this tail light offers an extended 6-hour run time, perfect for those long rides where you want to prioritize safety without worrying about battery life. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.